I'm Huda Kattan, and these are my kit essentials. One of my favorite products that I can't leave the house without is my Huda Beauty Lip Contour in Venus. And that's because I actually love creating a nice shape for your lips. I feel like sometimes a lot of people don't realize that your lips also add balance to your face. So I always like to fill in the corners here a little more, add a little more depth, and then I also like to line the Cupid's bow. I'm really into overlining my lips. I feel like it goes a long way. This is actually one of my favorite bronzers. It's been a favorite of mine forever. It's the dark chocolate bronzer from Too Faced. I love it for so many reasons. First of all, it smells like chocolate, so that's delicious. And I also love the tones. I find a lot of times bronzers can sometimes be a little too ashy or a little too warm. This for me is like the perfect shade. And when I'm not so tan, I like the milk chocolate, but I do love their bronzers so much. I'm obsessed with the Bad Gal Bang Lash from Benefit Cosmetics because I have little itty bitty tiny lashes and I feel like it really just dramatizes everything. I am a very hairy person, so I always have to take a pair of Tweezer Man tweezers with me everywhere I go. My unibrow will grow back in any minute now, so I'm sure I'm gonna use these really soon. My last product that I love, just because I feel like you can actually multitask, is this is our Huda Beauty Lip Strobe in Ritzy. It's my favorite color. It's kind of got like these shimmery, kind of goldish, pinkish pearls, and I love to put just a small amount on my lips, on my lids, and I just like blend it out, and I feel like it's just so beautiful. I don't have a mirror, so hopefully it looks good. That's it for my products I'm obsessed with. Make sure you guys check out Huda Boss.